What's up, guys? Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to talk about 3 pieces of confluence that I use to make quick and easy day trades. Also, this works very well for some of the swing trades that I take that get pretty big gains. So let's talk about it really quickly. So I wanted to show the chart here and show you those 3 pieces of confluence. Right. So I've been using this quite a bit for my day trades, my early morning day trades specifically. The 3 things that I'm looking for. This is the 5-minute time frame, and I'm looking at NVIDIA currently. The 3 things I'm looking for is to see, number 1, where are we? So number 1, where is price action? What do I mean by that? I mean, are we trading below our moving averages? Here are our moving averages, or are we trading above the moving averages? So if we're trading below the moving averages, automatically the first piece of evidence is, okay, we're bearish. Okay, and then you need a momentum indicator to trade. Like a lot of people don't talk about this too much, but if you're not using a momentum indicator, it's more like kind of you're leaving it up to your trade up to probability a little bit too much. And you need like volume, or you need level 2 or something that kind of tells you, man, like are more trades coming in that are going up, or more trades coming in that are going down? You need like something showing you where's the momentum, or else it's gonna be kind of hard to be profitable unless I don't know, unless your risk management and your sizing is impeccable, and that takes like years and years. And if you don't have pattern recognition, I don't know, you're just cooked. You're cooked. All right. So this momentum indicator for me has just taken me to the next level when it comes to trading. Before, it felt more like, okay, well, I could read price action, but I'm kind of guessing. So again, I use the volume RSI, and it's just called volume RSI, and it's by the Peaceful Lizard. One thing that someone mentioned to me is like, they're like, oh, hey, your volume RSI looks different than mine. And I just realized some people use extended trading hours when they're trading. I don't know who taught you how to trade or why you use extended trading hours. But I don't know. For me, it's like, if you don't trade during extended trading hours, I don't know why you have it on. I don't know. But that's my opinion. So I don't use extended trading hours, and I've read a lot about it. I've read a lot about why not to use it. And I just don't use it. Okay. I don't need it. But if you've done a lot of documenting and it's working for you, continue to use it. If it's not working for you and you're not profitable, or like you're not making money or whatever, I'm not saying switch up, but look into it. All right, number 2. So where is price action? Are we above or below? If we're below, then it's bearish. If we're above, then it might be a little bit bullish. Okay. The second thing I'm looking for is my momentum indicator. Like I said, is my momentum indicator showing like coming down? So my volume RSI, is it coming down? Momentum, is it coming down, or is it going up? If it's coming down, then that is also bearish. So in this case, I took this trade on NVIDIA because I was like, okay, this volume RSI is coming down really hard. That's showing that there's a lot of downward volume. And then we're trading here on NVIDIA. This is the 200 MA, this dark blue line. And then we have our other moving averages. We're trading below our moving averages. It's pretty bearish. And then the last thing I'm looking for is, do we either get a break of structure, which just means like, hey, do we break below the previous low? Do we break below a support, or do we break above a resistance? So do we break a key level / test a key level? Okay, those are the 3 things I'm looking for. And I'm telling you, when you're trading, it's all about it's fractals. So whatever you do on the smaller time frame, like the 5-minute time frame, whatever price looks like on that smaller time frame is going to be the same on larger time frames. You could use the same type of price action and the same rules. So in this case, we had this support from the previous day. NVIDIA tested it first thing in the morning, and we got this big topside wick. Topside wicks are indicative of sellers stepping in. So this is considered to be a rejection. Okay. So we tested that key level. That's one piece of confluence. The momentum was screaming to the downside. Second piece of confluence. And then the last piece of confluence is we're below the 9 and the 20. So all three of these signs here were extremely bearish. Okay, extremely bearish. All right. Now let's take a look at like something in the opposite case. A lot of people say, "Hey, you're a perma bear." I really am. I like to get puts because puts pay way better than calls, and it's just a fact. Okay, it's a fact. People panic quite a bit, so price tends to fall down quicker than it moves up. It moves up with these non-trend bars, and it moves down pretty slowly. All right. Anyways, in this case, again, what are our three things? So we're looking for where are we in terms of our moving averages. So we're right here. We start to move up and we start to get above most of our moving averages. We have decent trend bars here, almost non-trend bars, but we have decent trend bars here. So we're above our moving averages here. Our momentum indicator is screaming to the upside. So the volume RSI is moving up and above 50. And then last but not least, we do get a break of structure here. A little bit after we're above that, and this is moving up. A little bit after we get a break of structure. So really the best entry is going to be here. And again, what do I mean by a break of structure? It just means that we're creating a new high. Okay. So right here, this was our previous like highest point, our most recent. I'm not talking about like the actual highest point here or like a high point up here. I'm talking about the most recent high point. So we lower high, and then now we're getting a higher high. So that's what it means by like a break of structure. We keep going to lower highs, and then now we put in a higher high. Anyways, so that looks like that was our most recent high. And we broke above that. So we break above the most recent high. So that's like a key level break. We're above our 9 and our 20, and then the moving average, or not the moving average, we're above our moving averages, and then the volume RSI, the momentum indicator, is indicating that we're screaming to the upside. Again, like I said, you could use level 2, or you could use footprint charts showing you like the momentum is going more to the upside. Okay, or you could use volume bars. Volume bars are trash. You let me know if you could read a volume bar to the point where you're making really good plays off of volume bars. You let me know. I've never seen it before, but you let me know. But anyways, momentum indicator moving to the upside. If you use like a MACD or stochastic RSI on the 5-minute time frame, okay, you could do it. Again, if you could use that on the 5-minute time frame, you let me know. You might be one of the best traders of all time. But yeah, so pretty much just use those three. I use those three things to kind of keep it simple. Okay, I kept like studying all these different things to see, hey, how can I make trading more simple, or what can I do to get really good pieces of evidence that this is going to go either this way or that way. It's really just those three things. Where am I on the chart? Okay, what levels am I testing? What levels am I breaking? And where does price want to go? So it's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish. Hopefully this video helps you make better trades, easier, like trades really quick, like decisions really quickly, using only those three pieces of evidence. Anyways, it's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish. Also, free 3-day trial to the Discord. A lot of people are like, oh, I want to join, but there's no excuses now. There's no excuses. I'm live every day. We trade live every day. After you make $1 million bajillion on our couple trades in the morning, and you could just leave in 3 days. Do what you want to do. I don't care. It's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish. I'm out. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.